We'll click on plus sign. We'll click on flyer. Yeah, so just like before, you go back, click on the screen, then click on color and choose a black color. So click on this particular one here. Okay, this is it. It's here like this. The color. First thing you will do here now, click on the plus sign. Plus sign. Then go to element. When you go to element, thing you do, click on the plus button. Click on element. Now see, look for frames. I did not say shape. Look for frames. Click on see all. Then start scrolling down. See, look like a pot here. So I will just click on it. So now watch the next thing I'm about to do. I'll go to plus again. I'll click on gallery. I'll pick my food image. Then watch what I want to do. I will try and move this food image into the frame I picked. So that's it. Yeah, after moving into the frame, I will just turn it like this, then increase the size. The next thing I want to do, I want to change the lines at the edge. So I will click on this second color here. After clicking on it, I will just pick white. As you can see, it has changed. Next thing I'll do, I will duplicate this color, this image. Then place one at the top. Then I will choose color, turn the color to black. Then click on it, click on delete, then delete the image from the frame so that it will show that black color. Then next thing, I'll go to position. I'll now take this black one backwards. As you can see, it's now at the back of the frame. Then I'll go ahead to change the side color, the colors at the stroke at the sides to red. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to be bringing in another image. I'm not going to be bringing another image, but in your own case, bring in another image. I'm just going to duplicate this and then reduce it. Let's get our rainbow. Just click on the plus sign. The first thing, go to element, go to graphics. Before searching for your rainbow, it will be under graphics. Then search for the one that will be free for you to use. This one is free, so we can use any of them. So let's place this one here. Okay, for text, you click on the plus, you go to text, add a little bit of body text, edit, right? Then as you can see, it's not looking good, so I want to make it good. I want to change the font first. Okay, I'll change the font to something that will look bold. You can change it to anything you like, so I'll just place it here. Font size increase. Next, I'll go to effect. In this effect, click on shape, click on curve. To change your curve settings, click on this one here. Then you can increase or decrease your curve. The next thing I will do, I'll bring the shape, click on the plus sign, click on element, click on all. I'll bring in my shape, click on that square you're seeing there. Just for me to increase it and put it here. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll click on the plus sign again, click on lines and shape, then click on this, and I'll move it, reduce it, move it to this place. Then for the truck image, I'll just click on the plus sign, go to graphics, then you can search for delivery truck. You see a lot of them that you can use. Anyone you want to use is there. So I'm just going to pick any random one. The color, I want to change it to white. Just click on it and place it here. Next, you want to write the name of the restaurant, so I'm just going to click on the plus sign, then you go to text, then you go to add a sub-heading, edit the name of the restaurant. Okay. Then for the font, I'm going to pick a good font for it. Okay, let's say this is the font I pick for it. Okay, the next thing I will do after picking my font, I'll click on color and choose a good color for it. Okay, this is the color I want to use for it. As you can see, you cannot see this Grove restaurant, whatever I wrote where. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to effect, click on lift, and this lift stuff, you can just click on it to increase the intensity. As you can see, it's now brighter than before. It's now visible, you can now see it than before. All right, so let's go back. So the next thing, there's something I wrote there, food delivery. I'm just going to click on test again, then this time around I'll use add heading. So we are going to be doing the same thing that we did before, making it to be visible, because as you can see, the white is not really visible there. All right, so but the first thing, before changing it to white, we have some things to customize. As you can see, the food and the delivery, they are too far apart. So the first thing I will go and do, I will come to spacing, reduce the line spacing, go back, then come to format, make it like this, then you go back, then effect, lift, you click on this one, intensify the lifting. We are done. You can complete the rest yourself. Then the last thing, you go to save and save your work.